up, guys? Welcome back to Stance Addicts. This is your boy Minty. Here are my boys. Mario over here. We got Flaco coming up real quick. We got some special deliveries here. Check this out. We got the AEM systems with the modern performance package here.
What's going on?
Boy
Flaco 509.
And
hell
yeah. So we're excited to open these up. If you guys see, we're kicking back, having a good time right now, drinking a little bit of brews. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you do so down below. We got a whole bunch of content about everything, how-to videos and unboxing, reviews, how to install airbags and everything. So if you guys like that, make sure to fucking hit the like button, comment, subscribe, because we're always bringing them back. Say Flaco. I want to say Flaco. Say it. What do we always bring? Bangers all day. I want to start out this video by saying never give up, always keep chasing your dreams, because everybody out there has bad days all the time. And you know what, pick yourself back up and keep going, man, because life is rough, things get hard, but life keeps going on. And if you stay behind, you can stay behind. Unboxing review video from Modern Performance. Flaco's bag that I searched before is getting some new goodies for 2020. Our whole goal is to get a trophy for an accomplishment. Our goal is to get at least one trophy out of one of us, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to this video, guys. Let's go. Flaco in the building. He looks kind of nervous. Say something to YouTubers right now, man.
All of the Stance Addicts.
There you go.
Videos.
Yeah.
Support. Yeah, we're always here to promote new videos and learn new shit.
Yeah, I like that. See, that's right there. That's the type of people we need around here, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, let's get to this video.
I haven't opened them.
It's gonna be wild, guys.
Surprise.
All right, let's do this.
Goodies from them.
Best site to order shit from.
Hell yeah.
One of the best sites you can order OEM parts, aftermarket.
For your Dodge.
For your Dodges,
Neon,
Mopars, Chevy. Let's check this out.
Damn.
What is this?
New color, new everything.
New colors. This looks like
Gaskets?
a gasket.
Gasket.
You guys already know what that means. Right? Wondering if you guys should order from Modern Performance. This is the deal right here. This is what they ship you out. We got everything boxed up nicely, bubbled wrapped. Customer service is A+, you know.
So what I got here, as you can tell, there you go, guys.
Damn.
It looks clean.
That looks already clean right there. Damn. Check this out, guys.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Damn.
That is beautiful. That is beautiful right there, guys.
Power coated valve cover. As you guys know, we already made a video on a power coated valve cover from Modern Performance for a couple months, and it started to bubble up on the valve cover. We hit up Modern Performance and we made a deal. They're gonna send me a brand new one, and I just gotta send my old one back. That's why we got this one here. See, fucking Modern Performance have really good customer service. Yeah. So
they back up their warranty for sure.
Man, for sure. So this one looks clean. They said if I have any issues with this one, I can always return it and they'll send me a brand new one. So
that's dope. Now with this box here, the AEM box, I'm pretty sure you guys know what it is for the AEM fans out there.
Let's check this out. Let's look at the packaging real quick. Ooh, what is this?
It's a little gift.
Damn, I wasn't expecting this.
Lucky ass, dude.
Damn.
What do you guys say to my performance right now?
You rock. Damn, dude, what is this? Hardware? Couple hardware here. I don't know what to call their intake. Yeah.
That's
little air filter. Backstory for this one too. Another story for this one.
This is Flaco's Tales.
Alright, so I originally have a cold air intake, and I've been having issues with it sucking water when it's like hella raining, and it like bogs my motor. So this one, it's called a short ram intake. Remember that time my engine almost stalled coming back from Seattle? Remember that?
Yeah. You know, Clean Culture's car show in Seattle. Coming back from there, it was like having some flash floods. We hit this one spot. His car literally like sunk into this freaking puddle.
Yeah.
And the air intake was just starting to suck water in there, and the car just almost started to shut off in the middle of that little flash flood there. We almost got stuck. Even though he's bagged, he was like pretty much the highest go on that thing. It was still too slow, man. But luckily we made it. The color's a little bit off. I don't think that's custom color option there. You know, so it's off because this is a custom color here. Yeah. You know, you can tell the color difference.
It's like darker, huh?
Yeah. He's still gonna look sexy as hell. That's for sure. Look at this. Look at the design on this. You guys see here? Look at that shine right there.
If anybody wants my cold air intake, it's for sale. All right, guys. So what we got here, we got the AEM short ram intake. Retail was $184.99 at modernperformance.com. You can get either red, blue, and I believe black. No, red, blue, and a chrome color. And on this valve cover, I got it in the color red. It's power coated, custom power coated red. Retails for $79.99. But you gotta, there's a core charge, so you gotta send your old valve cover back to Modern Performance. And I also got the tube seals and the valve cover gasket. This is OEM from Mopar, which is retails for $39.99. And AEM was nice enough to send me this license plate cover. So we're gonna be representing hard right here.
Looks nice, dude. It's a different change.
Different change
from blue to red.
I have a pretty good vision on how I want it to look, so stay tuned. Follow me on IG, Flaco509, and you're gonna have all the latest updates. Subscribe to the channel.
There you guys have it, guys. The unboxing video of AEM Modern Performance here with the custom valve covers. Here with my boys here.
We'll be coming up with more new shit.
I like that.
So expect it.
Expect his car to be back this year.
This summer. You know?
He said it. He said it. There it is. Only for stance addicts. We're gonna have another bag car. If you guys haven't watched that episode, I'll make sure to put the link up here. He bought his wheels, his old setup wheels, and he finally put them on. He's driving them in this winter time because we just got like 4 or 5 inches of snow today. So yeah, you guys know, make sure you guys bomb his Instagram and let him know what you guys think. Yeah.
Expect the next video. We're gonna install these motherfuckers. So.
Yeah, pretty much.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We got more surprises coming, and if you guys are ready for me to finally reveal my shaved engine bay with custom color, let me know in the comments down below. I'm about anxious to show you guys how it looks, and I'm already working on the wire tucking, so you guys are probably gonna get videos out of that. I'm labeling the wires right now because I'm gonna relocate my fuse box inside my interior under my dash, my PCM, and it's, you know, my first time doing it, so I ain't got nothing to lose. Keep coming back because we're gonna install these lovely pieces here on this Insert T4. We're gonna install them and show you guys how they look. It's gonna be a short video since it's pretty ugly outside. Like I say, we can't get that much content. We can't go cruising. But if you guys like this, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. This is what we're bringing to you guys. Bangers only in this channel, you know what I'm saying? Say it, Flock, one more time.
Bangers only.
Bangers only, you guys know, we know. Alright guys, you guys have a good rest of the year. Remember, always stay positive. Keep yourself mindset always positive, man. Cause life is limitless right now, you know what I'm saying? And only you are able to stop your own self. So don't ever do that. This is it. This is your boy Minty, SRT, with my boy Flaco509 here. Black Mamba. SRT. And like that, guys, we're out. Peace.